children. Listen to the sound and repeat.
A. A. A sounds as A. A. A as in ant. A as in ant. B sounds as B. Ib. Ib as in bat. Bat. C. C. C sounds as K. K. Ik as in cat. Cat. Next letter D. D. D sounds as D. D. Id as in dog. Dog. E. E. E sounds as A. A. A as in egg. Egg. F. F. F sounds as F. F. If as in fan. Fan. Next letter G. G. G sounds as G. G. Ig as in gum. Gum. Next letter H. H. H sounds as ha. Ha. Ha as in hat. Hat. I. I. I sounds as E. E. E as in ink. Ink. Next letter J. J. J sounds as J. J. J as in jug. Jug. Okay, next one K. K. K sounds as K. K. Ik as in king. King. Next letter L. L. L sounds as ill. Ill. Ill as in log. Log. Next one M. M. M sounds as M. As in mat. Mat. Next letter N. N. N sounds as in. In. In as in net. Net. Next one O. O. O sounds as ah. Ah. Ah as in ox. Ox. Next letter P. P. P sounds as P. P. P as in part. Part. Next one Q. 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 Q sounds as k, k. Ik as in quill, quill. Next one, R. R. R sounds as r, r. R as in rat, rat. Next one, S. Yes. Yes sounds as s, s. S as in sun, sun. Next one, T. T. T sounds as t, t. It as in tap, tap. Next one, U. U. U sounds as a, a. A as in umbrella, umbrella. Next one, V. V. V sounds as v, v. U as in van, van. W. W. W sounds as w, w. W as in well, well. Next one, X. X. X sounds as X, X. X as in six, six. Next one, Y. Y. Y sounds as E, E. E as in yam, yam. Last one, Z. Z. Z sounds as Z, Z. Z as in zip, zip.